Welcome once again. This video will be showing us how to sew round neck without piping. Okay, we have already cut our fabric. Then we have the flap, the pocket, the front and the back yoke and our front facing. Okay, now we'll be turning our front facing. All right, note we are not piping, so we'll be turning and sewing with 0.5. all right, we're sewing with 0.5. Make sure it's 0.5 all round. You will sew it all round, so you need to take your time. Remember, it's not piping. Okay, now the measurement for I use for this is I use from the neckline, the depth is 8 inches, so after folding the neck, it will now be around 6.5, 6.7. all right, I'm done sewing, which now I'm going to slit an opening, so an opening in the neck to sew a slit opening. All right, for the head to pass through, since it's not shoulder zip, I use 0.2 inch from my slit, from my point there. Okay, to sew the opening, 0.2 inches, sew it down all the way up. Then having done that, I'm gonna give a notch to the neckline and also slit open the front neckline. You have to slit it open, after which the neckline you notch it also, that it will be easy to fold, easy to relax, so that it will be relaxed. All right, so that it will be relaxed once you flip it over. All right, it will be relaxed. So having done that, you also repeat the same process. Also, you repeat the same process in the back. Okay, using 0.5. And make sure while cutting, make sure you use your exact measurement to cut. Make sure you use the right measurement to do your cutting. Okay, so that it will give you exactly the same neck measurement that you use. I'm done sewing the front. This is also the back. Now attaching the back yoke. All right, the same way, the same format. All right, make sure that your stitches are straight. All right, avoid any zigzag stitching. All right, also give your notch for easy relaxation. All right, also flip it over. This is it. After this, you take it to your iron and iron it and relax. I'm done ironing. You can see how relaxed the front neckline is, and also the back yoke. You can see how neatly relaxed it is. Now we are attaching. Now I'll be sewing the front facing. All right, you have to sew the front facing tip to tip. You cannot decide to run up to 2 or 3 lines in the front, depending on what you want. All right, it depends on what you want. So this one I had to make it 2 stitches. All right, so make yours how you want it. So after which we'll be fixing our joining our shoulders. All right, now this is the back, which is on the machine, and this is the front. Now I'll be getting the 2 points of the shoulder merging together, using the back yoke to sew over the front of our clothes. All right, you flip it over, make sure it aligns to that point, to that midpoint. Make sure they align to that midpoint, the front and also the back facing at the stitch part. Make sure it aligns very well. Then you put use your 0.5, use 0.5 to sew. You use 0.5 to sew. After sewing this, you also do the same thing to the other side. All right, you do the same thing. After that, you pull, you bring out your necks, your shoulder. After sewing, bring them out. After the sewing, this is the result. This is how it turns out. All right, now you sew your back facing. You sew your back facing. Okay, now we'll be attaching our flap to our, but as you can see, I've already weaved and I've had to sew my. All right, so the way you the way you sew your flap, sew it the way you do. After doing, you put your hemming gum to relax your flap to give it this fine finishing. all right, so that it will be nice looking while sewing. Okay, you put your hemming gun, make sure you bring out the pointies of it, then your hemming gun. Then the next thing is you run your thread on top of your flap. Okay, you can run your thread on top of your flap on how you want it. Remember, in sewing this, you can also have double flap and different types of flap, so depending on what you want and this making. All right, so you now place your flap on top of your front bodice where your slit opening is. Now you get the center point, of your flap, and then you fix and attach your flap to it. Make sure it's well aligned. Note that there is a gator in your front top center. All right, so that will be the center point of your flap. All right, that's the center point of your flap. So you now fold either angle, or you fold it blockwise, or the down of your flap, depending on what and how you want it to be. Okay, make sure you have your stitches are neat and straight. Okay, because the top is where people the first glance goes to. All right, you sew that, and always cut off your threads. All right, you check for alignment, is well aligned. The next thing you do is you fix your pockets if you have any. All right, you'll be attaching your pockets if you have any. Remember, from how I get my pocket for adults, -2 from the shoulder, I will have about 10 or 11 to fix my pockets. All right, to fix my pockets to my outfits. All right, so I'm done attaching this. The next is to fix your sleeves. You fix your sleeve and all. So repeat it for this and the other side. Okay, remember, once again, this is Renew Clothing. All right, if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified on the next video that will be dropping. Please subscribe, like, and share. All right, so we flip over to the other side and also sew your sleeve. All right, after sewing your sleeve, the next thing you do, you weave your sleeves. You weave your sleeve. After that, you go to your table and mark. All right, and do your closing. You put your measurements. You get from the center line. You now get a center line of the bodice where the gutter is. The chest divided by 4. You split them into 2. Okay, or however you do your own closing. All right, if you need more clarification on how to mark your outfits, please let me know. So after all this, now you sew. After sewing, all right, you mark. After sewing, you go to your table and trim and also weave your outfits. All right, so this is the sleeve I'm marking. You go to your machine now and sew. All right, make sure that the sleeve they align together so that one will not be longer than one. They align together properly. Now you follow the line that you marked of your measurements, okay, to give you exact. All right, so you do this also the other side of your outfit. All right, you sew from down here, the other side you sew from the sleeve. Now you go to your table, you trim, you weave, okay, and also hem. You see my previous video how to hem your outfit. All right, this is how neat it's looking. Okay, remember, click and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I've weaved the inside, I've also hemmed my outfits. Okay, see you in the next video. Renew Clothing.